I believe that business is the most powerful collective force for good that exists in the world today. And that is why Bracken Leadership was founded. We created this organization to support those companies, those businesses that understand that they are a force for good. The way that we do that is we work with the leadership in the organizations and people at all levels in 3 areas: conscious leadership, business imagination, and courageous culture. In focusing on these areas with companies, we help them to express what's most important to them in the world. These are the companies that really understand that business is not just about financial profitability, although that is absolutely fundamental for the existence of the organization, but it's also about the positive impact that it can make in the world and in society. It's also about how do we preserve this amazing earth that we live on. And it's there to create value for everyone, for its customers, for its owners, for its employees, for its partners, and for society as a whole.